Hey guys, what's up? In this short step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can flip text for your presentations on Google Slides. So let's get started. So what you want to do first, guys, is start or enter a text here into the text box. So I'm going to type in that text for demonstration purposes, test 1, 2, 3. After that, make sure that your text box is selected. And after that, click on these three dots here at the top and select Format Options. That it is going to open up that menu here to the right. Now, what you want to do after that, guys, is expand this sub feature or sub menu here, size and rotation. And below you'll see that rotate feature here. So you can either rotate your text box by setting your angle here. You can go up, you can go down, or you can use that 90 degrees rotation feature here to the right, or simply flip your text box horizontally and vertically just like that. So that's one option. The other option would be, guys, to move that, to left click that handle here, to hold it with your left mouse and to move it around to rotate or to flip your text box just like that. So that's the more intuitive and manual option here. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.